Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking down the foundation. Pick a platform that fits your skills and budget, hosted for speed or self-hosted for control. Next, validate a niche and pick 3-5 core products so you can optimize listings and marketing. Once done, register a clear domain name, purchase hosting if required, and enable an SSL certificate to secure checkout. Make sure to set up a business email and basic analytics before moving on so you can measure every change. You now assemble the store. Install a responsive theme and tailor the layout with mobile-first priorities. Your hero images should use 16:9 ratio for consistency. Add product pages with clear titles, 5:9 high-resolution photos, concise descriptions, SKU, variants, and cost-plus pricing. Then configure payment gateways like Stripe or PayPal, set shipping zones and rates, and apply correct tax settings. Make sure to enable order confirmation emails and integrate analytics. You finish by thoroughly testing the shopping experience. Complete multiple checkout flows, test coupons, returns, and ensure page speed is under 3 seconds. Once satisfied, launch lead capture, initial ad campaigns, and optimize SEO titles and meta descriptions for priority pages. After launch, monitor metrics daily and prioritize fixing the 3 pages with highest drop-off. If things go wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: isolate the issue, disable recent apps or theme changes, reproduce the problem in a private browser.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.